PSC നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഉടനെ തന്നെ ESIC സ്റ്റാഫ് നഴ്സ് വേക്കൻസി ഡിക്ലറേഷൻ ഉണ്ടാകും. അതിൻ്റെ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്കുള്ളതായ പ്രിപ്പറേഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ആരംഭിക്കുന്നത്. ESIC സ്റ്റാഫ് നഴ്സ് പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പർ 2016 ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മുടെ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ ആരംഭിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാവർക്കും ചാനലിലേക്ക് ഒരിക്കൽ കൂടി സ്വാഗതം. നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഗ്ലാസ്കോ കോമ സ്കെയിൽ ഈസ് എ മെഷർ ഓഫ് ഡാഷ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ന്യൂറോളജിക്കൽ അസസ്മെൻറ്റ്, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഇൻട്രാക്രേനിയൽ പ്രഷർ, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ഫ്ലൂയിഡ് വോളിയം, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ലെവൽ ഓഫ് കോൺഷ്യസ്നസ്. ലെവൽ ഓഫ് കോൺഷ്യസ്നസ്. Which of the following is considered to be most effective and treatment of choice for phobic disorders? Options A behavior therapy, option C psychoanalysis therapy, option C family therapy, option D interpersonal psychotherapy. The right answer is behavior therapy. What position should the nurse place the head of the bed in to obtain most accurate reading of jugular vein distension? Option A raised 10 degrees, option B supine position, option C raised 30 degrees, option D high Fowler's position. Raised 30 degree. A pregnant client with preeclampsia is receiving magnesium sulfate. What should the nurse keep at the bedside to prepare for the possibility of magnesium sulfate toxicity? Option A oxygen, option B calcium gluconate, option C nalin, option D suction equipment. The right answer is calcium gluconate. The nurse is caring for a child with a very low platelet count related to chemotherapy. The nurse should monitor this child's urine for the presence of option A lymphocytes, option B protein, option C erythrocytes, option D glucose. The right answer is erythrocytes. At 10 hours of age, an infant has a large amount of mucus and becomes cyanotic. What should the nurse do first? Option A administer oxygen, option B insert nasogastric tube, option C record the incident, option D suction. The right answer is suction. In 28-day human ovarian cycle, ovulation occurs on option A day 14, option B day 5, option C day 28, option D day 1. The right answer is day 14. severe dehydration signs and symptoms are: option A, sunken fontanels; option B, overeating; option C, bleeding from any open orifice; option D, increased urine output. The right answer is sunken fontanels. Gastric glands are present in the wall of dash. Option A, large intestine; option B, esophagus; option C, small intestine; option D, stomach. The right answer, stomach. Which hereditary disease is most closely linked to aneurysm? Option A, Marfan syndrome; option B, lupus erythematosus; option C, myocardial infarction; option D, cystic fibrosis. The right answer is Marfan syndrome. What is the most appropriate nursing response to a myocardial infarction client who is fearful of dying? Option A, this is a bad situation, but you will feel better soon. Option B, tell me about your feeling right now. Option C, when the doctor arrives, everything will be fine. Option D, please be assured we're doing everything we can to make you feel better. The right answer is, tell me about your feeling right now. Pulse oximetry is used during endoscopy procedure to: option A, determine arterial blood oxygen saturation; option B, reduce the required number of nursing staff; option C, monitor the depth of sedation; option D, measure carbon dioxide retention levels. The right answer is determine arterial blood oxygen saturation. Next question, which among the following is not a high risk factor for endometrial carcinoma? Option A, multiparity; option B, diabetes; option C, obesity; option D, exogenous estrogen. The right answer is multiparity. Medical treatment of coronary artery disease includes which of the following procedure? Medical treatment of coronary artery disease includes which of the following procedures? Option A, coronary artery bypass surgery; option B, cardiac catheterization; option C, percutaneous transluminal coronary angioplasty; option D, oral medication administration. The right answer is oral medication administration. Next question. During a vaccination drive at a Well Baby Clinic, a nurse observes that a recently hired nurse is not wearing gloves. The nurse should advise the new hired nurse to dash. Option A, speak with the nurse manager regarding techniques. Option B, continue the immunization since gloves are not needed. Option C, evaluate the child's appearance to determine whether gloves are needed. Option D, put on gloves because standard precautions are required. The right answer is put on gloves because standard precautions are required. Freshly released human egg has option 1 X chromosome, option B 2 X chromosome, option C 1 Y chromosome, 1 X chromosome, option D and one more Y chromosome. The right answer is 1 X chromosome. Which among the following is a chemotherapeutic agent? Trihexyphenidyl, mycostatin, chlorpromazine, cisplatin. The right answer cisplatin. Next question. The nurse teaches the parents of a child with fever, headache, and a stiff neck that the test used to confirm the diagnosis of meningitis in a child is a dash. Option A meningomyelogram. Option B lumbar puncture. Option C peripheral skin smear. Option D blood culture. The right answer is lumbar puncture. Next question. H2 blocker of choice in liver disease is dash. Option A nisatidine. Option B cimetidine. Option D ranitidine. Option C ranitidine. The right answer is nisatidine. Next question. Important objectives of health services are option A promotion of health, option B cure from the disease, option C prevention of diseases, option D all the above. The right answer all the above. A disease is caused by a Treponema pallidum is dash. Option A syphilis, option B mumps, option C gonorrhea, option D polio. The right answer is syphilis. A client is admitted to the hospital in active labor after an amniotomy. The nurse should expect option A progressive dilation and effacement, option B increased fetal heart rate, option C diminished vaginal bleeding, option D less discomfort with the contractions. The right answer is progressive dilation and effacement. Next question. Which one of the following viruses causes post-transfusion hepatitis? Option A hepatitis B, option B hepatitis A, option C hepatitis C, option D hepatitis D. The right answer is hepatitis C. Which of the following drugs will be administered to treat anaphylaxis? Option A epinephrine, option B sodium bicarbonate, option C atropine, option D digoxin. The right answer is atropine. Next question. Corpus luteum develops from option A oocyte, option B none of the other option, Option C, Graafian follicle. Option D, nephrostome. The right answer is Graafian follicle. Next question. Prerenal failures occurs in Option A, glomerulonephritis. Option B, nephrolithiasis. Option C, toxinonephropathy. Option D, heart failure. The right answer is heart failure. What is the primary critical observation for UPCAR scoring? Option A, presence of meconium. Option B, respiratory rate. Option C, evaluation of Moro reflex. Option D, heart rate. The right answer is heart rate. Next question. Part of sperm involved in penetrating egg membrane is dash. Option A, autosome. Option B, allosome. Option C, tail. Option D, acrosome. The right answer is acrosome. Next question. Which is the most important test the nurse should check to determine whether a transplanted kidney is working? Option A, serum creatinine level. Option B, renal ultrasound. Option C, WBC cell count. Option D, 24-hour urine output. The right answer is serum creatinine level. ASHA stands for dash. Option A, Ashram social health agent. Option B, accredited social health activist. Option C, accredited social home agent. Option D, associated society health agent. The right answer is accredited social health activist.
Thanks for watching. PSC നേഴ്സിൻ്റെ വീഡിയോകൾ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുകയും നിങ്ങളുടെ അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും കമൻറ്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുകയും ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കാണുന്നവർ ഈ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ഫ്രണ്ട്സിന് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. ധാരാളം വീഡിയോസ് PSC നേഴ്സ് എന്ന ഈ ചാനൽ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നു. വീഡിയോസ് റിപ്പീറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് കാണാൻ ശ്രമിക്കുക. അത് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഓർമ്മയെ കൂടുതൽ ശക്തിപ്പെടുത്തും. നന്നായി പഠിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും ഞങ്ങൾ വിജയാശംസകൾ നേരുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.